Why and how do I organize my footage before starting a documentary edit? I organize all the footage before starting an edit because I can easily find the right clip while I'm editing. This is very important because a documentary may be shot over multiple days, multiple months, or multiple years. And say if you have a character A, he may be shot during day 1 or maybe day 20, day 50 or day 100. It's extremely difficult to find a particular shot of this character by going through all these folders. So what I do is I pick up all the shots of this character A, and keep it in a folder character A. I actually make different folders like character A running, where I have all the running shots, or character A walking, where I have all the character A walking shots. If I want to access a particular shot, I can just browse through the folders, pick up the right shot and place on my edit. This makes editing much simpler, easier, and less time consuming and stressful. So sorting the footage before starting the edit is extremely important. Now it also has other advantages. Suppose you are working with the director and the director says they shot a particular shot of this character A doing a particular action. If I haven't sorted it, I would have to go through all the folders to find this particular shot, and which is extremely time consuming, and I will be wasting my time and the director's time. But when I have sorted it properly and I can find the shots in a few seconds, it increases my efficiency as a documentary editor. Now, sorting into folders is just not the only way by which you can organize your footage. You can organize it inside bins in your editing softwares. But I prefer sorting in folders because I can just copy this entire folder to my assistant, and the assistant can find the right shot. There are other methods too. Some people actually write a log of all the shots in a sheet, and you can search for the keywords and find the particular shot. There are some other softwares like Photo Mechanic where you can actually keyword every shot, and when you search for these keywords, you easily find this shot. So finally, sorting and organizing your footage makes fun easier, efficient, and much more creative.